Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justina here. If you are new here, you are welcome, and to our returning subscribers, welcome back. Today guys, I will be showing you how to make a glowing body oil that will make your skin to be very flawless, that will fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, that will glow your skin like from within, with one basic ingredients that you can find literally everywhere. You can literally find carrots everywhere, and it's very affordable. So if you're out there and you're looking for affordable way to glow your skin, or maybe your skincare products are getting more expensive by the day and you're looking for way to cut down on how much you spend on cosmetic, this particular video will be very useful to you. Okay, so without much delay guys, let's jump right into today's video. But guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's jump right into this video for real. So guys, our first ingredient is carrots. So carrots contain antioxidants. It contains beta carotene, which helps to protect the skin from sunburn. It also helps to promote healthy complexion. It fades dark spots, serve as anti-aging, and it also helps to improve skin elasticity, hydration, and the overall skin texture. Like we all know, carrot is very good for the skin guys. So we'll go ahead now to grate our carrot. So guys, kindly note that our carrot has been properly washed, and the back, like I make sure that I remove the back just to prevent any contamination. And guys, I want to kindly use this opportunity to appreciate every one of my subscribers, everyone that watched my video. Even if you are coming across this video for the first time, I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you for every view, every like, every comment. I just want to let you know that I did not take any of it for granted, and I pray the Lord will bless you. Thank you guys. So guys, after we finish grating our carrots, we transfer it into a clean bowl, just like I'm doing here, just to add every other ingredient. And kindly make sure that the bowl you'll be using is well dry, just to avoid contamination. So guys, our other ingredient we'll be using for today's recipe is saffron. So as we all know, saffron is a very popular ingredient like in skincare industry. Like it has a lot of benefits. It contains antioxidants. It is very good for skin brightening. It helps to make the skin look very radiant. It is good for hyperpigmentation treatment, and it also helps to fade acne. It just helps to kind of enhance the overall skin health. Like saffron is one ingredient that it will help to kind of boost the overall health of your skin. It will glow your skin from within. It will make your skin to be very flawless, to be very radiant. Irrespective of your complexion or skin type, you will definitely love this particular recipe. So we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of saffron to our grated carrots. So guys, for our oil, we'll be using rapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice, like maybe olive oil or coconut oil, or just any carrier oil of your choice. Rapeseed oil contains anti-inflammatory property. It is very good for dry skin. It helps to fade eczema. It reduces redness and inflammation caused by breakouts. So rapeseed oil is very good for skin guys, so very good. Like I said, if you don't have rapeseed oil, you can use like any carrier oil of your choice. Like coconut oil is a very good alternative, or just any oil of your choice. For this particular recipe, I just make sure that I add enough oil just to cover the carrots and the saffron, just enough just to kind of cover it. You now go ahead, after you add the oil, just to mix everything together so that they can incorporate together, both the saffron and the carrot and the oil. It's well mixed together. Okay, so like I was saying, thank you so much. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. So after I mix everything together, then I cover it just like with a foil or just anything, just to prevent contamination or anything contaminating our oil, you know. So I just cover it and probably keep it somewhere for the next 48 hours. This will allow the carrot and the saffron to penetrate deeply, you know, into the oil, because that's what we need, guys. So guys, here is our recipe after 48 hours. So we just try to mix everything thoroughly together once again. You can see that the color, like, it's changing color already. Like, you can see the oil is changing color. Now it's time to separate our oil, just to transfer it into a clean jar so that it can be used on the skin. And to do that, we'll be needing this like clean bottle. I got it from Shein. I'll put the link in my description box, also the saffron link. And then we get like a funnel and a sieve to transfer our body oil. Just okay, just like that. So guys, this is what we have. Like I said, this oil is very good. It helps to glow your skin. It helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, eczema, you know. It just helps to improve the overall health of your skin. This is so lovely, guys. So let me know, will you be trying this? As we can see, it is very easy to make, guys. It is very easy. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this out. All right, thank you so much. If you watch my videos to this level, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and I will see you in my next video.